Hello, good morning to you all. In this tutorial, we'll see how we can make a video on the Dubsmash on the latest updated app. Previously, it used to be different, and I have received few queries asking how we can make a video on the updated Dubsmash app. So click on this. So this is the feed what you will see, and the second option is explore. So here we can explore or find some interesting audio clips for the video what we are going to make. So choose your audio, means you can play it and check, okay, whatever it may be. And there are categories here, okay. There are three categories. Favorites are which you previously liked, or there are suggestions for me. And there are trending sounds what are now presently trending on the Dubsmash, we can check it. And hot dubs, we can opt from them. So recommended sounds, for example, if you like this, just play it and check once. If you like this, click on open. Once you click on open, you will find an option called dub. When you click on this dub, your camera will be open so that you can make a video. I'll clicking on this. So you need to press and hold on this to start recording the video for the particular audio. So creating your dub. So this is how you can make a video on the Dubsmash. So first you need to choose a sound from the explore section. See here, if you click on next, for now I'll make it as a draft saved up. I don't want to publish this. And there is one more way we can select the sounds. I'll show you. For example, if you are checking your feed, if you like any one of the song on a particular video, you can double tap on this. See here, I'll do this. Well, I'll just double tap on this so that you will get into the dub, and click on the dub and you can record the video. So this is how you can make a video on the Dubsmash. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.